Hey there everyone, and before we even get started with this particular video, just tell me one thing. The moment you read the title, comments on YouTube, the first thing that clicked to your mind was somebody just posted a shitty comment on some video on this channel, and just like every other YouTuber, he's gonna say some things about it. And yes, to be honest, it's absolutely true that sometimes comments are so mean, so hateful that it hurts the actual creator of the channel or whatever the creator that is. Yes, most of the time it's the case, but not for this video. Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another video, and in this video I just wanted to talk about one experience that I recently felt in the YouTube comment section. So there is no such single YouTuber who haven't made a video about the comments, because sometimes people say so much mean words and mean comments, mean things in the YouTube that he gets frustrated, takes a few days break, or maybe just make a video about, hey, why you are hating so much for that particular video, all these things. But my experience is a little bit different for this particular case of videos. And again, for all those YouTubers who haven't made these kinds of video, eventually the time comes when you feel something like this. But let me introduce some positivity in your life. Now, I also agree on to the point that yes, the most of the comments that you see on the YouTube are your supporters. They love you so much, and that's the reason why you keep on posting videos on YouTube. That's why we are having so much great communication. We are having so amazing community. But on the other side as well, so much of them are amazing comments, but yes, just few of them are like bad trollers and just disrespectful and hateful comments. But there is another side of the story as well. Sometimes creators are also not able to do the job properly, and I am one of them as well. Sometimes we are not able to post the content which is up to the mark. Obviously, we are trying to improve ourselves with every single day that passes on. Every single creator, whether that's on entertainment, on tech, on programming, is trying to just upgrade their life, their quality, so that they can produce better content. But there is always a way how you can tell somebody that how you can upgrade your quality or what can be improved, or do you just want to support? Support is the most essential thing to make sure that any channel just keeps on running. So I thought, instead of making a video about those meanful and hateful comment, let me tell you what kind of comment every single creator is going to appreciate. The number one comments are support. No matter what your single thing is, it just says great content, or just say thanks, or just say, hey, nice video. Any one of them, it act as a great motivator, and that's keep on running all these YouTube channels that you see around. But there are some other comments as well which can be really valuable, and I found just one of them. There are hundreds of them on my channel. I keep on looking every single one of them, but this one caught my eye and I thought I should make a video on this one. So this comment literally says, you should use green or blue screen behind you so that background behind you can hide and we can get more view of a screen. We would be happy to see if you do so. Now, can you see that? So much of humbleness in just putting an advice. He is absolutely amazing in the comment section. I can literally make a judgment on this person, that this person is humble, this person is respectful, and he's trying to make a point. And along with that point, he's also saying the advice that, hey, if you'll do this, this would make your content better. Amazing advice. And yes, instead of being trolls and instead of being ruthless and just disrespectful, you can be like this guy, Himanshu. You can be some more respectful, because respect always goes side by side. The more respect you're going to give to somebody, the more respect you're going to get from that somebody. So in the last 1.5 years, or almost like 2 years, I have taken these advice, because they are very rare to find. These kinds of advice and tips has been coming around on my channel. I've picked a lot of them and have improved my quality and my life as well. So yes, these are rare to find, these are hard to find, but they are very amazing people who just say some contribution and just make your content more awesome. So obviously some of you might be asking, hey Hitesh, if the advice is so good, why don't you implement that advice? And there is a very big reason why I'm not picking up that advice and why I'm not doing exactly what he's asking. But first and foremost, what he's asking me to do. So the comment was about the video that I record on my desktop, and I write some code, and let's just say we fire up some VS Code or something like that. We just fire that up, and this is how it looks like. So the comment was that the type of video that you record, you can see the corner radius. This is something which I like. Window inside a window, this cornerish looking thing like a TV. And he said that sometimes it's hard to see the code itself and we are not able to see the full screen. although I try to move myself here and there with the video editing, but he said that in case you might want to just remove the entire background like that, it would be much better for us and totally accurate. So what kind of video he's expecting me to deliver? So yes, we can actually delete the entire background and it might look a little bit more amazing. Yes, my t-shirt is a little bit grainy because that's how this entire setup and this editing is being done. You have to wear a flat color t-shirt. It should be just like one or two color. It should not be like grayish or things like that because it doesn't pick up really well in these softwares. This requires a little bit more advanced editing, probably in Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. Not this with a small kind of software. But again, these kinds of video looks pretty dope, and I was thinking for going these kinds of video for a very long time, and probably I will go with them in the future. Who knows what kind of setup we are gonna go in the future. So yes, I'm fully equipped in making these kinds of videos. I have full gadgets and all these technologies that can possibly be required for making these videos. I surely can do that, but the only problem is my t-shirt. It has white spots, that's how the gray is being made, and it sometimes creates problems in just removing those backgrounds, and it looks so much it looks so weird and unnatural that I really don't want to do that. But if I happen to plan on changing my t-shirt color anytime soon in the future, I would definitely look forward in making that kind of content. But in the meantime, I will be sticking to that TV kind of ish look where you just see me a screen inside a screen. I, by the way, love that kind of thing as well. But I totally agree on your point that surely you can see more screen, and that's really a valuable advice. So let's summarize this video. Whole story short, the world is already having so much of anger and so much nasty people. World need more people who are more positive, who are more amazing, who just wants to spread more peace and more creativity. So make sure you support those people. It doesn't cost you anything. A simple nice comment or just saying, hey, amazing, awesome content, or just hitting that thumbs up button, or you can hit that subscribe also. It motivates people, and this is the only reason why the content is going to be growing. And it doesn't go for only my channel, it goes for all other channel as well. If you have something to say, just reach out that creator and in a very politeful and peaceful manner, just say your feedback. I am pretty sure every creator wants to get upgrade, every creator wants to get improved. So instead of just putting those hateful comments, what you can do is put your advice nicely so that it can contribute on that channel. So yes, just a random wild thought that I wanted to share with you. And make sure you consider subscribing this channel because I post a lot of content on this channel. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love that. So hit that subscribe button and I'm gonna surely catch you up in the next video.
So you're in a hurry? Well, you better calm down. We're all friends around you, just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a